So I'm going to show you how to add a Samsung account to your Samsung Galaxy Tab A11. So you want to go into settings, and then under settings at the top there, you'll see sign in to your Galaxy. So that's where you add your Samsung account. So tap on that, and then you can choose whether you want to scan a QR code from another phone that's already signed in, or you can just sign in with a Google account, or if you have the username and password, which basically means your email and password, you can just sign in using those. So choose how you want to sign in. For me, I'm gonna sign in using email or phone number. I'll enter my email address and password. And once you get signed in, you'll have to agree to the terms and condition, Samsung account privacy notice, and that you have read and agreed to all the above. Now you can leave this off because it's optional, and then tap on agree. And you're signed in. So this is a Samsung account you'll use across your entire tablet. You can use it to set up the secure folder. You can use it in the Galaxy Store to install themes and stuff like that. Thanks for watching and good luck.